Welcome to English class, video number 3 of product number 8. In last video we learned that a report is a way to present information about a topic, and we also learned that a report has 5 parts. The first part is a descriptive name, which is the title. The second part is represented by images, which are the illustrations. The third part tells the reader what the report is about. It was the introduction. And the fourth is where the information is presented, is the body part of the report. And the last part of the report is the fifth part, is where the conclusions are presented. Is called the conclusions. Let's read, identify, and label the parts of the following report. How to prevent accidents in a school. Keeping a school full of children and staff members safe and accident-free is no easy task. A small water spill in the hallway or a pothole on the playground can cause major injury and possibly open the school to legal repercussions if not addressed immediately. To avoid accidents at the school, generate a clear set of safety guidelines and keep an eagle eye on facilities. Train staff and students on ways to prevent accidents from happening and what to do if someone does get hurt. Repair all unsafe areas within the facility. Refer to your list of hazardous areas and make repairs an immediate priority. For example, if there are potholes on the playground or a classroom door that slams closed, ask the school custodian or groundskeeper to place those repairs at the top of her list. Design a set of safety rules that all the students and staff must follow. Using your list from the safety committee, create a set of school-wide safety rules. Rules could include telling the custodian about all the spills on the floor immediately or wiping up any spills you see, to not running in the hall. Repair or address any broken equipment or unsafe areas immediately after the monthly inspection and readdress any areas that are a habitual problem. For example, if a piece of playground equipment continues to break, remove the entire piece of playground equipment. Now that we read the report, let's see if we can identify its parts. Well, first up here we have the descriptive name. That is called the title. Then we have this image. The image is called illustration. Yes. Then the first part of the report we have up here is called, and also is the part where it tells the reader what the report is about, is called the introduction. Then the part where the information is presented is the middle part, is called the body. And then last we have the last part of the report is where the conclusions are presented, is called the conclusion. Excellent. Before making a report, we must choose a topic. Let's write some instructions to avoid accidents at a school under the topic how to avoid accidents at a school. And some instructions: be careful is one of them. Throw the waste in the dustbin. Do not push anyone or run and jump on the stairs. And hold the handrail before going up or down stairs. You have to be equipped with some simple precautions that can prevent injuries at the school. The following classroom safety tips will help build a safe and secure environment. Write the following charts in your notebook. Keep exit clears. Make sure classroom exits remain clear from obstructions. Avoid tripping hazards. Safe ladder use. When accessing materials on high shelves, always use a ladder. Do not stand on chairs or desks. Check the surface on the playground. Falls are the #1 cause of non-fatal injuries in children. Answer some of the following questions and practice with a partner. Well, here you are going to choose some of the questions and answer them. and write them in your notebook. And then you are going to practice with a friend. First you ask the question and your friend answer them, and then your friend asks the questions and then you answer. Take turns. Here are some examples. These are the questions that I chose from the questionnaire, but you can choose the question that you like, and remember to take turns so that you also have the opportunity to answer some of these questions. Can you mention some cases of an accident that have happened at a school? Let's write about some tips that will help to prevent those accidents. Here we have check the surface of the playground, obey hazardous symbols because they mean danger, and of course be careful. Keep exit clear, make sure classroom exits remain clear from obstructions, and avoid tripping hazards. Eat healthy, wash your hands frequently, avoid close contact with people who are sick, cover your cough or sneeze, clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces, and limit distractions, avoid climbing or pulling on big pieces of furniture. The parts of the following report are mixed up. Let's read it and see if we can identify the topic and the main idea of the report. Label the part of the report using color red for title, green for the introduction, yellow for the body, purple for conclusions, and finally illustrate the report. Well, let's read it. One of them had an injury on his forehead. Some other students gathered around him. Some of them told to their teacher, and somebody told to the school principal. After a while, the school principal arrived and took the injured student to his office. Then the student's parents arrived and took their son to the hospital. He recovered soon, and fortunately, the injury was not dangerous. A scene of a school accident. Yesterday, as I walked to my classroom, I saw an accident. A student was running really fast, trying to reach a ball. They collided with another student who was passing by. Let's level the parts of this report. We need red for the title. Yes, that's our title. We need green for the introduction. Yes, that's the introduction. Yellow for the body. Good. That's the body part of the report, and we need purple for the conclusions. Yes, excellent job. Time to do our own report. Let's don't forget to add the parts of the report. The title, and this is going to be our title, how to prevent getting the virus. Also, let's add as many illustrations in our report, and the parts of the report also include the introduction, body, and conclusion. Excellent. Well, I'm going to leave you with some more examples of our report that you can use to create your own report, and don't forget to add as many illustrations as you can. Have fun and see you soon. Bye.